Hey, happy Earth Day. I love this day because I really think is important we take the time to appreciate the home that we live in. Like a lot of you, I try to do my part to take care of our planet. When I'm traveling, which as you know is quite often, this means reducing my carbon footprint. This can be a challenge when you're racking up the air miles, but some eco-friendly travel products certainly help in my efforts to improve our planet. In honor of Earth Day, I thought I would share them with you. So let's get into it. Number 1, bamboo bowls. I've been bringing Zelda with me on a lot of my trips lately. I just can't stand to stay away from her too long. Like her owner, she's constantly hungry. That's why I like to bring my bamboo bowl from the Green Pet Shop with me. It's easy to store and carry, and I can quickly bust it out whenever Zelda is hungry and thirsty. Best of all, it's made entirely from renewable resources, including 100% natural plant dye. And since the bamboo strips were bonded under intense heat and pressure, it's as strong as any plastic bowl I've seen. I imagine Mother Earth approves, and I know Zelda does. Number 2, 4-in-1 travel dispenser. When I travel, I try to reduce waste as much as possible. This means reducing disposable products like the shampoo and soap bottles found at most hotels. That's why I like to bring these awesome 4-in-1 travel dispensers for all my soap/shampoo/conditioner/lotion needs. Bonus, these babies are made from eco-friendly BPA-free plastics. BPA is a harmful chemical used in the manufacture of many plastics. Second bonus, they're TSA friendly, which means I don't have to worry about taking them through security. I love that extra peace of mind. Number 3, bug bite thing. My travels take me to the tropics a lot, which means I am often on the lookout for mosquitoes. Now, I love all animals, but let's face it, mosquitoes are among the hardest to love. But there is a way to deal with mosquito bites and other bites that's cruelty-free and not harmful to the environment. Enter Bug Bite Thing. It's a small, portable, and not too expensive suction device that extracts the harmful saliva and venom that bugs leave behind. It's chemical-free, doesn't harm the insect, and prevents me from getting harmed as well. That's what I call a win-win. Number 4, ostrich pillow go neck pillow. When I'm on a long flight, I simply have to have my neck pillow with me. These days, my favorite neck pillow is from a company called Ostrich Pillow. Love the name. It has a memory foam, so it's super ergonomic. It also has a washable cover made from sustainable fabric, which I love even more. And number 5, app in the air. As I said in the intro, extensive traveling can make it difficult to reduce your carbon footprint. That's why I'm so glad I downloaded App in the Air. For an annual subscription fee of $29, I can ensure that my travel is as carbon efficient as possible. Here's how it works. The app filters flights by carbon emission output, as well as times and prices. It also helps me keep track of all my itineraries, boarding passes, and loyalty points. And perhaps coolest of all, they plant a tree for every flight booked through the app, helping me travel guilt-free. There are so many great eco-friendly travel products out there. These are just a few of the awesome eco-friendly travel products that you'll find in my carry-on and on my phone. There are plenty of others that help me travel the right way. If you have any earth-friendly travel products that you can't go to the airport without, I would love to hear about them. To watch more videos like this, go visit cookingwithjade.com. Until next time.